Hi everyone, welcome SAS Programming 90 Days. Today is day 42. Welcome in SAS Viya session. So sorry for the delay. So this session coming after 3 months of the last session. So today we are starting with the SAS Visual Data Mining and Machine Learning. So first of all, we are starting with the analytical life cycle. So what is the analytical life cycle of the process of the data? So first of all, the data will become to discovery, then deployment. So first phase is data phase. In this data phase, we are using two tools that is available in the components you can say, or the tools you can say, that is available in SAS Viya, SAS Studio and SAS Data Studio. Okay, SAS Studio is to access and investigate the data. SAS Data Studio to prepare the data. Then we have the discovery phase. In the discovery phase, we have the five components there. So you can use this as and Visual Analytics to explore relationship between the data items, and you use this as Visual Statistics to build a models. Tool that you can use to data discovery is SAS Visual Data Mining and Machine Learning, then SAS Visual Text Analytics, and then SAS Visual Forecasting. Then we have the Model Studio. Then we have the deployment phase. So after the data, then discovery, then we have the deployment phase. In the deployment phase, the SAS Model Manager can help you to deploy models. SAS Lineage can help you to understand the relationship between the resources. Then jobs and flow pages in SAS Environment Manager can help you to automate these process. So this is important because uh, we are writing the code, we are creating the models, then we need to automate. So we are using the jobs and flows component for this. So first of all, the SAS Visual Data Mining and Machine Learning objects. So SAS Visual Data Mining and Machine Learning provide a single integrated in-memory environment for solving most complex problem faster. Okay, so SAS Visual Data Mining and Machine Learning combines the wrangling, data exploration, visualization, feature engineering, modern statistics, and the data mining. So this is the feature of the SAS Visual Data Mining and Machine Learning. We have so Bayesian network, factorization machine, forest, gradient boosting, neural network, and support vector machine. This is the six features. Uh, so first of all, we are using here SAS explore and visualize feature here, component here. So first of all, know your data. Okay. So first of all, get about the data. So how we will get the data. So use the graphical numerical methods, how to find the outliers, minimums, maximum, percentage, means, standard deviation, distribution, missing things. So this is all things we are done with the use of explore and visualize. Okay, let's go our SAS Viya. So this is my SAS Viya environment. So this is the free version. So this is the 11 days left to me. So whenever you subscribe, so they will be give you 14 days only. Okay, for the learning purpose. So now I click on the three hamburger sign. Then they are showing the analytical life cycle, streaming analytics, and the administration. Okay, so we are in the analytical life cycle of the data. So we are using here explore and visualize option. So I click on the explore and visualize. Now you can see here page 1 is open. Okay, so now first of all you need to choose a data. So let's suppose I'm choosing the random data is bank customers data. I'm selecting here. Okay, so you can see the details of the data here. Then also you can see the sample data. If you want to see 100 rows, you can see the 100 rows. Then we have the profile option. Okay, so profile option is a very important option here. So profile option will be give you the brief details of the data. Okay, so give the insights of the data with the help of the whenever we are running the profile, this option run profile. So it will be take a time. to run the profile, because they will be see the unique number, null values, blank, pattern count, mean, median, everything they will be see, and they will be give us. Okay, now you can see here account number is unique. This is a unique number. Null values if they have, so they will be show pattern. So everything about the data they will, you can see in this run profile options. Okay, so what is a data type here? We have double, character, strings, okay, numeric, so everything they will be show us. Okay, this is the primary key or not. So I selected data, then I press the OK, because this is we already discussed in the run and profile. Now you can see here we have data in the explore and the visualize option here. Bank customers data is selected. Now first of all, we are seeing the data exploration. So how to explore the data? So let's suppose your data is here. Now you need to click in this option, data source menu, right click, then view measures detail. Okay, only the measures are there. Measure means your numbers, numeric things, all the numeric uh, analysis will be here. Okay, so this is account number, customer ID, and the HH income is a unique in this data, so they're showing only the numerical analysis. Minimum is this, maximum this, average is this, and the sum of this. Okay, also here in the more information they will be show the all the important things about the data: standard deviation, standard error, variance, distinct count, missing number. This is the important one. If you have the missing number, you can check here what are the missing number. Here we have the zero missing value. So then we have total observations, so everything will be presenting here. Okay, so then you selecting the another value, they will be show the another data. Okay, so you need to select all the things, you can check it. Now you can see here HH income, they will be show the graphical representation of the data, so where my maximum income will be flow. Okay, so this is about the data we checked. Then move to the next part. Okay, so this is about the more about the data exploration. So how we will see the measures detail. Next is the add calculated item. So let's suppose now you're saying I have some data here and I'm looking for the let's suppose I have the income of the all the customers. Okay, so I want to categorize this into a specific. Let's suppose I want one column here, so I'm adding here, so I want one column in that they will be show the which customer have the high income, which have the low income. So you want to add a new column based on the some conditions. So then we are using we are going into the here in the plus sign. Now you can say I click on the data, then we have new data item, then we have the calculated item. You need to click here calculated item. Now I click on the calculated item. Now you can see here new calculated item is here. Now you want a name. Let's suppose I'm giving the name of this income category. So I put it cat only, income cat. Then they're saying what is your data item. So you want to create with the character data or with the date time data or numeric. So I want only the numeric data analysis here. So this is the number. Okay, so also here if you click there, we have the operators. So this is all the operators that we need here: numeric operator, boolean operator, comparison operator. So everything is available here, and if not, you can put any operator in this. Okay, so let's suppose first of all I'm putting the HH income here because I want the analysis on this one. Then I right click, then you can see I click right click, then they're showing the everything of the operators that is available in the operator, they will be shown here. So I click on the use inside, then I click here on the if and else. So I click on the if else. So if else will be here. So I want HH, I want to put HH income here. Okay, for HH income I want to put a condition, what I want, greater than equal to x is greater than equal to y. So I'm putting this one. Now you can see here we have the if HH income is, let's suppose I'm putting the 20,000. If my income is greater than 20,000, okay, then give me the high income, else give me the low income. Also now you can see here this is showing the number, but I want the string here because I'm putting I will write in the text. So here you can see a result type. So result type is numeric by default. I'm putting here the character. So I put it the character here. Okay, now in the character I'm putting the high income, high underscore income. Then in the else condition I'm putting the low income. Okay, so I put it the low income. Now you can see here we have a simple condition here. Also you can see here this is the code window. You can say this is the first window is for the drop and drag, and also we have the code window. You can write hard code here. So this is the hard code of your statement. If HH income is the greater than equal to 20,000, then return high income, else low income. Okay, okay, then I close, then okay. Now you can see here we have the category, income category will be here. So now I'm simply drag and drop. So this is my category. High income, we have this 400 around employee will be there. Customers are will be there. So they have the 398 customer will be there, and for the low income we have the only the 85. So this is today we have done only about the data. So how we are putting a data, how we are exploring a data. Then in the coming section we are going more deep in the machine learning and data mining. Thank you guys.